Welcome to our manufacturing plant located at northern part of India. This is overview of manufacturing plant which is FAMI QS, ISO 22000-2018 and HACCP certified. Our logo depicts double C which represents care and cure. Change rooms to enter the production with crossover bench for gowning and degowning. Company's policies are also displayed for staff working in the core area. This is raw material and packing material receiving area. Packing material are received and matched with bill and GRN is done. Batch coding is done as per BMR. The quantity of raw materials is matched with the bill and received in under test area. If passed, then it is transferred to the approved raw material section. The approved raw material is used in the batch manufacturing process. Raw material requisition is raised and the weight of raw material and excipients is done in the presence of QA or production in charge. Temperature-sensitive material is kept under controlled humidity and temperature. Entry to the powder section is through an airlock double door. In this temperature and humidity are controlled by AHU. Drying is done by tray dryer and sifting is performed by the manufacturing team using a sifter. After sifting, material is transferred to blending area. The ribbon blender is used having capacity of 1000 kilograms. The material after mixing is transferred to the primary packing area. We have two pouching machines with different capacities. This packing machine is with large packing capacity. And this one is with small packing capacity. Nitrogen flushing is done before sealing. Unit packing is done in the corrugated box as per packing requirement. The way to enter the liquid manufacturing section is after crossing the double door. Four tanks are used in the manufacturing, which are jacketed tank, manufacturing tank, storage tank, and intermediate tank, having a capacity of 3,000 liters. A filter press of 5 microns is used to filter the impurities. Bottles are put on the turntable, and compressed air is flushed to remove dust and foreign material. Four-head filling and sealing machine is used for filling of liquid in bottle. Induction is done to avoid leakage in bottles. Labeling is done using the stickering machine, if the required leaflet is included before the shrinkage of the bottle. Tunnel is used for bottle shrinkage. All the products are transferred to the finished goods store after making the transfer note and BMR is completed. Control samples are kept for each batch to check the stability of the product. We have a chemical and instrument room. UV spectrophotometer, HPLC, is used to check the purity. pH measurement, conductivity, and titration are performed in the chemical room. Samples are charged for stability studies in a stability chamber. The batch is released after QA approval. Trial batches for new products are performed in R&D lab. We have a documentation room, an instrument room lab having HPLC, and an analytical lab for testing. Small batches are taken in the formulation and development lab.